What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it's been snowing at my house, and this is what it looks like. This is the backyard. It's like the water is almost ice. It's still snowing. Look at all of this. No, I know on camera it doesn't look like a lot, but it actually is so much snow. And here's the front yard. I don't want to get my camera snowy and stuff, but look at all of this snow. Watch me run in it. Look at this is pretty much all of the snow here. There's a lot that really like. Oh, look at here's like a window. Look how clean it is. Oh my gosh. Don't worry, the snow will come back on in like a couple minutes. Jesus! Look. Oh. This is this car. Oh, that looks kind of weird on me. Fix it. Boom, now you can see it. Is this car? Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's pretty short, but I'm getting back into making these again, and go comment down below what you want me to do and some new videos, and then go follow me on Instagram. It is Killian's Adventures. Killian's Adventures, Killian the Savage. Oh yeah, go follow me there, and I'll see you guys in the next time.